Hello everybody, I've got an Aircon pump here. That's the compressor for the Aircon. That's for a BMW 630i. Maybe before I do anything, let me show you. I want you to watch here as I wiggle like that. Look even what is happening to the, look at that. See that movement there? That's what is causing the noise. It's worn, the bearing is worn. So I'm trying here to see, can I actually service this pump? Can I get a bearing for it? So that's where I am at the moment. And so what I want you to, I'm going to loosen this. There's a wee bolt at the front here. Okay, let me show you. That one there, you put a 7mm socket. I don't have soft jaws, that's why I've got this towel in here, right? So it's a left hand thread, so we loosen clockwise. Okay, we loosen clockwise. So maybe you need to stand this side. You watch as I loosen. You watch. See that this part is coming forward. See that? That part is coming forward. So let me take it from there. Listen to that sound again. That's that one out. This is the bearing. Look at that. Between the pulley itself and the bearing, something is worn here. So you can see the easy circlip. So I'll take that locking ring out, and let me see if I can use this. Seems to be a strong one. I need 2 screwdrivers. I've set up this puller here. That's the only way I think I can take this pulley out. So I'm hoping this will. Oh, this thing is damaged here. You see there?
Oh yeah.
So it's not going any further, just turning in the same place. It is out.
No, it's just spinning there.
Just spinning, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. See? You hear
Yeah,
that?
the bearing. Something.
You hear that?
Yeah.
It's gone. So the rest, the inner rest stayed in, but I think I should be okay. I should be able to cut that with a grinder and get it out and then push another one in. So we need to loosen. Anyway, let me see. Now, you know what? That's the bearing that is causing that. We don't even need to open this aircon pump. All that I'm going to do is I'll try and cut and cut this inner bearing rest and take it out. So I'm praying that if I can get the number, if I had that one out, I could see at the back possibly the number. That's all I need. Yeah, so I should be able to press this one out. If I put it on the press, I should be able to press it out and then look for a bearing, because when I'm turning it now, all that roughness is gone. Yeah, all that roughness is gone. So I thought maybe the other one, the inner one as well, is the same, but no, it's actually this outer one. I think because of the pulley and the tension of the belt, that's why it's doing that. So yeah, I'm not going to open this thing completely. You can see I have kept it clean. I've closed all the inlets, the outlets, so that at least there's nothing, no ingress goes inside. So I've kept it clean. Cut that one out. So I'll show you whenever I'm cutting out. My grinder is not working at the moment, but I'll take it to my work and then cut it and then press that one there out. I'll show you the process. At the moment I don't see any numbers. I don't know if I can. No, I don't see any numbers at the moment. So there's a bearing place. They can actually, even if there are no numbers, they can just go by the diameters and they'll give me the right bearing. So I think I should be able to service this aircon pump without having to take it to without having to replace it, because I looked for one online and I didn't find exactly the same. I went to a scrapyard, I couldn't find exactly the same. There's so many BMW ones, but it seems like this 630i has got one that is different. All these ports are different, are in different positions. So that's when the idea of trying to service this one came up. So that's where we are going. I'll show you the second part of this video when I'm cutting this inner rest and when I'm pressing this bearing out, and show you the new bearing, and I'll tell you the size of the bearing of the new bearing. So you see, it was this play. You can hear, listen to that now. You hear that? So that sounded like engine noise. It was quoted thousands. He was told to replace the engine, but in actual fact it's actually this pulley that is making noise. So thank you for your subscription. Thank you for watching. Please give us your likes, and consider, those who haven't subscribed, please consider to subscribe. We thank you for all the help that you have given us so far.